Hi everyone, this is Mr. Noor. Today I will show you how you can install Anaconda Distribution. So, using which you can do various things. So let me install it. So you can download it, the Anaconda Distribution for online for free. So I'll tell you where you can download it. This is the site you can go and download it. Why I'm trying to install it. So it has a lot of things that comes together with it. It offers the easiest way to perform Python, R, data science, and machine learning on a single machine. You can work on thousands of open source packages and libraries. After you install it, you will click on this finish button. Now it would have already loaded various modules. So you see the Jupyter notebook. Now if I click on it, it will open the Jupyter notebooks. This is my default browser. Let me close this. Now if I say new Python kernel, it will open the screen. Here I can run everything. If I do pip install, and if I run it, it will run. See, this is already running. It's already, requirement is already satisfied, it seems. So I hope this information is useful. This is how you install Anaconda in your desktop or your laptop. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.